Hello, and welcome to your personal Reiki healing session. You didn't click upon this video by accident. I am here to cleanse your aura completely of all bad luck, all negative energy, evil eyes, curses, and hexes to help you feel more deeply relaxed, calm, balanced, and free to manifest your wildest dreams. All you have to do to receive this is simply nod your head or say, I accept. I'm going to start by scanning your aura now. I'm just going to do a gentle scan. And I could see already that you've been carrying around a lot of energetic baggage, a lot of excess weight that you don't need to carry with you. And I could see that you've got big dreams, you've got big desires, but this energy that you're carrying with you is hindering you from welcoming in that which you are manifesting, so we're going to clear that today. I want you to take a deep breath as I pluck out this negative energy. Just going to come in and pluck that negativity out. And you might feel a pulling sensation here. You might feel a tugging. You might even feel some old memories, wounds, or emotions coming up to the surface at this time. And all of that is perfectly natural. You are completely safe. Just let yourself feel whatever it is you need to feel right now. There we go. Pulling out that negative energy. Pulling out that bad luck energy. Pulling out the evil eyes. Just keep taking nice, deep breaths as you release this energy. And I want to thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up with courage to your own healing process. Because healing really begins when we stop trying to run from the pain, the trauma. Healing begins when we have the courage to face it, to feel it, and to release it. Just keep taking nice deep breaths. You're doing so great. You're doing so great. Now I'm going to sweep your aura with some selenite. And this sweeping will help to clear away any energy that is stuck in your aura. We're also clearing away any energy that's not yours, that you're carrying around with you. So just keep taking nice deep breaths while we sweep. You're doing so great. Selenite is such a wonderful cleansing tool. It's such a crystal of high vibration, and it really helps to dispel negative and stuck energy. This is gonna leave you feeling deeply relaxed, very peaceful. This stone right here really helps to bring the color back into your life. Just keep taking deep breaths. You're doing so well. And just give yourself permission to feel whatever you need to feel right now. Whatever that might be. Taking nice deep breaths. You're doing so well. do just a few more sweeps here. And right here, I'd like for you to take a very deep breath. Just sigh out all that air. Release anything you're still holding on to. Just let it all go. Breathe into this moment right now. Let everything else fall away as we drift along, becoming very deeply relaxed. You're doing so great. There we go. Now I'm going to channel Reiki directly into your heart, into your body, to infuse your entire aura, your body, the frequency of unconditional and divine love. Now we're going to seal it all in with this heart-opening singing bowl. This singing bowl resonates at the frequency of your heart chakra. We're going to seal in this healing now. I invite you to take a deep breath. Place a hand over your heart as you listen. Let's take a deep breath together. And just let it all out. This healing is sealed within you now. And this healing will always be here for you whenever you need it. And I just want to thank you for taking some time out of your day to receive this healing energy, to do this healing work for yourself. And I also invite you to like, comment, and subscribe for more Reiki healing videos. And before I go, I just want to impart that the beauty of Reiki is that it meets you exactly where you're at. It doesn't try to force, it doesn't try to fix anything. It allows what has been buried to come to the surface so you can release it, so you can alchemize and transmute the pain, the weight, the baggage that you've been carrying around with you. It helps you free up your energy so you can manifest the life that you want, not the life that you've been living on repeat, but something new, something beautiful, something that's in harmony and balance with who you are, your most highest self. And it is pure, unconditional, and divine love. So I just want to thank you again for being here with me. Remember to save this video or send it to someone who may need it, and just know you can always come back here to this place right here. I'm sending you all so much love. Have a wonderful rest of your week. And until next time.